Hello.
Yeah,
Yeah, Anand, 1 second. He has to give me permission to share the screen.
yeah, that's fine. And ma'am, we have to discuss about the class timing. I can't have it every day of the week because I have computer tuitions.
Okay, when are you having computer tuition?
We agreed on Wednesday, Saturday,
Wednesday.
Sunday, right?
Correct, huh?
So I have a
No,
class.
I thought only on this week because Harsh said your mom called him at SAMS
Yeah.
saying
That was
that
a mistake.
yeah.
She didn't listen to me. I told her that we had already discussed this thing, and then she simply called him and created something else. It was very annoying. I'll talk to her and I'll talk to Harsh. It's fine because I have
Okay.
other tuitions also.
Okay, fine. So, what are the days you are available? This Saturday, Sunday, we'll make half an hour extra, if
That's fine.
so that next week I'm not there, so that we can make your syllabus. We can make it little faster.
Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
sure. Because today I supposed to have computer class, but then yesterday you
Oh,
called, right? So I made it tomorrow. So is it okay if we have today, Saturday and Sunday class?
sure.
Okay.
Only thing is, next week I'm not available. Is that fine with you?
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. As long as
Okay.
the portions are covered, I'm completely fine
Okay.
with whatever the timetable is.
Okay. Fine.
Okay,
So with today and tomorrow, then we'll make it. No, the Saturday and Sunday we'll make it half an hour extra.
that's
Uh,
fine.
but we will not lag with this thing. Okay.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay. Fine.
Ma'am will be sending me the questions on WhatsApp, or are you sharing the screen?
Oh, today I forgot. I'll use it. Otherwise, I'll from Saturday I'll send it. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Sure. So okay. We have we started,
We finished the question of Silver Point,
okay.
receipts and payments account. We
Okay.
have to start the next.
Income and
Expenditure we haven't started. We are supposed to start today.
okay.
We did theory yesterday. Means last
Okay.
class.
Okay. So theory and format is complete.
No, format hasn't been completed. We did
Okay.
theory.
Okay.
One
Fine.
second.
Okay.
I'll tell you till where. I have to check on my book.
Yeah. Check.
No, actually, yeah, we did format. We
Format
did,
we did.
yeah, till format we did.
So okay. Okay. Income and expenditure is one thing that you have to be very careful because in cash account we get capital expenditure, revenue expenditure, capital receipts, and revenue receipts. But in your income and expenditure, it is very clear that we are going to take only the revenue receipts. Okay. Uh,
Yes.
you know what is revenue receipt? What is revenue receipt?
Revenue receipt.
Huh.
Um, from income and expenditure account, you're talking?
Yeah, anything from the point of view of cash account also. If you remember, we divided our receipts and payments into revenue receipts, capital receipts, right? So what
Yes.
are revenue receipts?
Revenue receipts are, I'm
Mhm.
not sure. Purchases made from this thing. Uh, profit. Is that it? I'm not 100% sure. Sorry.
Okay. See, revenue receipts here. I have. Okay. Today I will forward you this file. Okay, so that it will. You can.
Okay, I'll do that.
So revenue receipts are those receipts which we are received while
Okay. Sorry.
carrying out organization in terms of receipts which are going to recur in nature and
Hmm.
whose benefit will not last for more than 1 year.
Okay.
Example, some rent received because we keep on receiving insurance. I mean, rent, insurance. It is we keep on paying that. something which is recurring in nature. Capital receipts are those receipts which does not happen in day-to-day life of the business, right? For example, payment of lifetime membership of the subscription, or somebody paying us for some specific purpose. All those are capital receipts. Okay, those receipts other than the capital receipts, and receipts from the donor for specific purpose is called capital receipts. Revenue receipts, it is day-to-day activities we do and we get some receipts. Those are called revenue receipts. In income and expenditure account, we are supposed to take care only your balance sheet. In income and expenditure account, we are supposed to enter only those transactions which are revenue expenditure and revenue receipts, no capital receipts. This you have to write, make a note somewhere.
Okay.
In receipt and payment account, we have both capital and revenue receipts, capital expenditure and revenue receipts. When we come to income and expenditure account, we record only revenue receipts and revenue expenditures. Okay. And one more thing that you need to be very careful is that we are recording only current year transaction here. Right? You remember receipts and current year transactions. Okay.
Yeah.
Remember in receipt and payment account, subscription of last year was also recorded.
Yeah, and future, yeah.
Future year was also recorded, right? Anything which receive in cash in that year, whether it is of or of next year, we are going to record it. But in capital and income and expenditure account, only current year. If we have prepaid anything, one second. If we have prepaid anything, then we are going to deduct it. If any income or any expenses is outstanding from our side, we are going to add it. Okay, you will come to know when we do the problem. Soon we'll go step by step. Okay.
Okay.
You have taken the format, right? Now
Yes.
take a pic of the problem. I'm sorry, I forgot to share this.
That's fine.
And you said you will forward that question for me, means question bank or something which is given in the school, in college.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I didn't send it to you. Yeah, I didn't have your number. My bad. I'll take a pic and send it to you right now.
So the silver point we had finished, right?
Yes.
So now take the pic of this question.
I sent it on WhatsApp. Okay, 1 second.
One second. I'll just reduce the this one so that you can see full. You take it, I will.
Yeah.
Last transaction seen only. Yeah, you take it down. The other stuff, I'll just scroll it down once you take the pic of this.
Okay. 1 second. Yeah, scroll down. No? Yeah, I'm done.
These are the thing.
Yeah.
So I'll now stop share so that see properly.
Mm. Okay.
It's with you, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So they are saying from the following receipt and payment, always income and expenditure account is prepared from receipt and payment account. So they are saying from the receipt and payment account, prepare your income and expenditure account for Neji's Club. So they have given a receipt and payment account. There we have balance carried down, subscription we have, donation we have, hall rent, interest on bank deposits we have, entrance fees we have, so purchase of furniture we have, salary, telephone expenses, electricity charge, postage and stationery. So they have given all the expenditure ones, expend receipt one side and payment one side. So purchase of book, entertainment expenses, purchase of 5% government expenditure, miscellaneous expenses. Okay, before doing the problem, can you recognize which are revenue here and which are
Capital.
capital? Yes.
Revenue, income, or expenditure. Both.
First, let us go to income. Oh, there they have mistaked. Okay, expenditure and
Yeah.
income they have
Income is
changed.
written
Okay.
wrong. Yeah.
Okay. One second.
Donation, hall rent, interest on bank deposits, and entrance fee.
Mhm.
No, not entrance fee. Interest on bank deposits
Is what?
and
Revenue.
hall rent. Yeah. Revenue.
Revenue.
Yeah.
Donation?
Donation is not yearly, right? So how can it be revenue?
See, Anand, here it is a club, okay? People keep
Mm.
giving donation. If they give donation for some specific purpose only, then it will get more
No, I
capital
meant like
account.
donation will be varying, right? So
Uh-huh.
will that still be counted as revenue? Every year it won't be the same amount. It'll be different amounts and stuff. So will that still be counted as revenue? Income.
No, no, no. I'm what I mean to say you is here.
Which entry? Okay. Oh,
Which
okay, okay.
entry? Uh-huh.
Donation,
So
hall rent, and interest on bank deposits.
on the
Subscription also.
okay, on the debit side means credit side.
Salaries,
Mm-hmm.
telephone expenses, electricity
Mm-hmm.
charges,
Mm-hmm.
um, entertainment expenses,
Mm-hmm.
purchase of 5% government papers. I don't know about that.
Mm-hmm.
And miscellaneous expenses.
Okay. Um, so in this question, we'll read the question first. So they
Okay.
are asked us to prepare income and expenditure account. Uh, so down they have given some information also. They are saying from the additional information, salary outstanding is 1,500. Entertainment expenses outstanding. We have some outstanding also. Okay.
Yeah.
Outstanding 500. Bank interest receivable rupees 1,050 and subscription accrued rupees
50.
400. So what is accrued? It has been approved, but they have not received or something like that. So 50% entrance fees is to be capitalized and furniture is to be depreciated at 10%
Per
per
annum.
annum. So what are they
Okay.
saying? they're saying there are so many things which have been
not mentioned in the table.
not mentioned in the table. So but we have some things here, so which we have to go ahead and
And
enter. Okay,
yeah,
so we'll do one by one. Okay.
okay.
So the first thing that you have to talk here is your entertainment expenses, right?
Yeah.
It is because due to the business that we have got it. Okay, so they are saying entertainment expenses are outstanding. So we got to record that. You able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Yeah, I can. Can you not hear me?